There is a growing trend in the current economy toward financing companies aiming for customers who qualify for bad credit. As more Americans find themselves struggling to meet expenses, more will find themselves having to deal with low credit scores, which narrow the possibilities for financing some of the larger purchases in their lives in an affordable manner. Bad credit car loans become a regular part of the consumer experience. In an atmosphere that would encourage most people to know more about financing a car, especially in a bad credit situation, the real situation is that most people will attempt to get car loans without knowing their credit standing, without a budget, and accept financing from the dealership where they'll purchase the car. Going in cold on car loans with bad credit will end up costing people thousands of dollars they did not need to spend. At the very foundation of attempting to get car loans is the budget. A household budget is simply a matter of controlling money going out versus money coming in. Even a bachelor needs a household budget in order to ensure that all bills are paid in full, and no money is spent beyond what an income will allow. The biggest risk in exceeding one's income is to pile on debt for non-essential expenses such as entertainment, dining out, and expensive toys. Where a car loan is concerned, the supposition is that an individual needs to purchase a car that will take that person to and from work, to run errands, and to get to certain other places not in walking distance. An individual taking out a car loan just because that person wants a new car, while a perfect working vehicle sits in his or her garage, is a foolish expense that will pave the way to bad credit and possibly bankruptcy. In order to take on the burden of a car loan responsibly and intelligently, it has to be done with good reason and within the household budget. Income level is the lifeblood of the budget. No household can operate without a steady source of revenue coming in. Even for single people, a budget supported by a regular income is needed to keep them from dwelling in their parents' basement well into adulthood. The vast majority of people in this country go to a daily job in order to maintain an income at any one of a number of levels. Some of these people rent apartments and own an economy car, while others live in mansions and drive luxury cars. No matter what income level these people live at, they need to manage that income so what they spend does not outweigh what they make each month. This is especially important in maintaining a solid credit rating. If one cannot manage his or her income on a monthly basis, the common response to taking up the income slack is to make a credit card bear the cost of mismanaging one's own funds. This is where bad credit takes its first breath of life. Bad credit is revealed in a person's credit score. The scores themselves are generated by a system that takes all credit-based activity, good or bad, and boils it down to a number from 300 to 850. The first and most trusted scoring system was designed by Fair Isaac Corporation, which lends its name to the result of that system, the FICO score. Although FICO has set an industry standard, the nature of scoring the credit for millions of people does not create a simple proportional scale. Federal Auto Loan. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, all good.